2.2 billion is the population of visually impaired people globally, according to WHO. Our app, ThirdEye, provides a way to enhance the life quality of visually impaired people. So there are a few our application scenarios. Our app can act as a walking assistant for totally blind people, and it can also act as a searching assistant for visually impaired people, such as colorblind people. For walking assistant, it will take in video as its input, and will use adaptive video sampling to process the video and then pass it to the Gemini API. After we get the text from the Gemini API, we'll further transform into voice format. For searching assistant, it will take one more input, voice or text input, for its searching task. Now it's demo time. Now I will introduce our first function, which is called walking assistant. So this function is mainly designed for blind people. So you can see that the camera of our app will keep scanning the surrounding environment so that it can tell whether there is any dangerous stuff that blind people need to pay attention to. So now you can see that in the camera, there's a wall here, which might be dangerous for the blind people because they can bump into it and hurt themselves.
There is a desk to your right with office supplies and a brick wall directly in front of you. It appears safe to walk forward and to the left to avoid the desk.
So now we follow the instruction from the app, and actually we are going to turn to right because the camera is in the mirrored mode. And you can see that there's a hallway here, and there's a bunch of desks in an open area.
There are several tables and chairs to your right and some private cubicles to your left. There is nothing that would be dangerous in your direct path, but you may want to bear to the left to avoid the tables and chairs.
Okay. Now I'm going to introduce the functionality of our app to help visually impaired people to locate objects in complicated scenarios. For example, say we're in this scenario and we're trying to locate our computers, and try to get them. Here we provide a button to capture the image, and it will also provide a function to give a verbal instructions. Now help me locate my computers and tell me how can I get them. Here we also provide the extracted text, and provide this button we can upload both the text instructions and also the image to Gemini to process and let us know where we can get our thing.
There is one laptop on the round table in front of you. It is to the right of a black backpack. You can reach it by extending your right arm forward. There are also several desktop computers in the background, but it seems you are not allowed to use them as other people are working on them.
Yeah, and Gemini provides a very detailed instruction about where the computer is and how can we get them.